Welcome to Jack and Mia's family.
Best morning ever. Hey, I was watching that. Breakfast first. Cartoons are important.
Anything interesting in the news today?
Just the usual headlines. Here's your juice. Can I have some more jam? Ow. Tooth again? I think I'm good.
This explains it.
Please don't say dentist.
It's from the dentist. I should have respected the apple.
We are not friends anymore.
Nope. Absolutely nope.
You disappeared like a cartoon villain.
Totally fine. Extremely fine. You're doing the fake smile. It's just a dentist, not a dragon.
Dentists are worse. Dragons don't floss.
Maybe there's another plan.
This is a very smart plan.
Problem solved.
Ready for a completely normal day. Good. We have something after school.
After school? Like, fun after school?
Not exactly fun.
This is not good.
Big day. Be brave, okay?
You're walking like you're going to court.
It's worse. I hid the letter.
You did what? That's not how appointments work.
It should be.
This is becoming a problem.
I heard the pop quiz in chemistry was impossible.
Worst day ever. Dentist again.
You told them, didn't you?
Jack, wait, I was just... You always do this. Jack, don't crumple that.
Stop trying to control everything.
I was trying to help.
Hey, what happened?
I don't want to go.
It's okay, Jack. We're right here.
Come on, sweetie. The sooner we go in, the sooner it's over.
I guess so. You're tougher than you think.
I don't like this place.
Why did you bring that?
Just in case.
You brought that here?
Yeah?
Jack, stop!
Everyone's looking. Jack,
Let's go, buddy.
Come on, Jack. It won't be so bad.
We'll go slow, okay?
This one just looks. Open big! I found the problem. Is it bad? You're doing great.
Okay, Jack, just open a little wider for me. You're doing great, almost done here.
You're doing so well. All done.
I hate dentists.
He was really brave.
Yeah, he was.
Please like and subscribe to our channel, everyone!